Okay, so what we got here is a BMW 2 Series 2020 installed with factory style reversing camera on the original system. So it doesn't come with reversing camera and we retrofitted it in. Nice and small there, you can't really see it. And it all comes on the factory BMW system. So when you put it into reverse, as you can see, you get your sensor display there. Also got full moving guidelines. This is vehicle dependent, so not every vehicle will get the moving guidelines. So you want factory style reversing camera integrated on your original BMW iDrive system. See the link down below. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to our channel.